Growing your own mint at home is easy and rewarding. Learn how to grow mint from cuttings in water. Buy a single bunch of mint from the grocery store, and that will be the last time you ever have to buy mint from the store. This is a cool way to grow a small amount of mint, especially if you have got space in a kitchen window and want a little herb garden. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from urban gardening. Take a store-bought mint bunch. Store-bought mint works just fine. Take a small container with the top lid. Now make some holes in the lid as shown in the video. Fill the container with water. Add water as needed to keep the container 70 to 80% full. The main thing is that you use mint cuttings that are healthy. The stem should be vibrant and green, while the leaves should not be dried or blackened. Take cuttings that are 5 to 7 inches long so that there is plenty of area on the stem for roots to grow. Remove 2 to 3 sets of leaves from the lower part of the stem, but leave the top leaves intact. New growth will appear at the nodes. You can carefully pinch them off with your fingers. Longer stems are easier to propagate than short ones since there will be more places for roots to grow. Ideally, each stem will have 2 to 3 empty leaf nodes on it, as roots will grow from the node area. Stick the cuttings into the holes so the bottom 2 to 3 nodes are submerged in water. If your cutting has too many leaves, it will take longer for the cutting to start growing roots since it's putting its energy into all of those leaves. Make sure the stem is nicely submerged since that's where all the roots are going to shoot out from. Place the pot where cuttings are exposed to bright indirect light. Bright indirect light as opposed to direct sunlight will ensure that the mint leaves do not get burnt or dry out. In approximately 5 to 7 days, roots will begin to grow. Make sure to change water after every 4 to 5 days so the stems stays healthy. Wait until the mint plant is full and the leaves are large before cutting and using the mint. After plants are established, harvest leaves regularly by pinching out the tops. New leaves are more flavorful and tender than the older ones, and pinching promotes bushy growth. Cut the top half of the plant with sharp scissor. Cut 3 to 6 inch part of the stem. Regular pinching will promote bushier, fuller growth. Regular harvesting encourages mint to bush out and keep producing flavorful leaves. The youngest leaves are usually the most aromatic. Keep changing the water at 3 to 5 days interval for healthy growth. Cutting back the plant will reset the plant and encourage it to grow new fresher stems. Each stem will produce 2 new stems from the node area. Once new growth emerges, feed with seaweed fertilizer or any water-soluble plant food. Fertilize after every 18 to 20 days for healthy growth. You can continue harvesting often throughout the rest of the growing season.